provide, like, for example, if the contract has been written in a different state?
Absolutely. The
Wow.
first call is always to your state. Every state has a provider law firm, and
Hmm.
if that law firm obviously doesn't do law in every state, they will send you to the law firm of the other state. And this is no cost. This is part of the services, and the business owner can have that contract reviewed.
Wow, that is amazing. And
Yes.
then, what would you say are the main outcomes, the perceived outcome that people have had? Do you have perhaps any stories there that you can share with us?
Absolutely. One other thing I want to mention about before, they write things like collection letters with a follow-up letter that a lot of business owners that are trying to collect on debt. So we help with that as well. There's a lot of stuff that we cover. But one of my longest standing client, he joined me 16 years ago, right when I came into LegalShield. He heard what we do, and he was a veterinarian, is a veterinarian, I should say, and he invited me into his clinic, and he said that he had been sued by a woman who let her child swing on the table, and they told her 4 times, don't let your child do that. It's dangerous. The child fell, cut his head open, and she got $15,000 from his insurance. And he said, if I heard you correctly, I could be protected from a lawsuit. And I said, absolutely. We have trial defense hours
Yes.
that protect him. And he has had the services now for 16 years.
Wow.
And we also protected him when he had a piece of equipment leased from another state and it was faulty. The company corresponded with him briefly and then they just stopped corresponding. He had a $25,000 piece of equipment that he didn't know what to do with. Well, he told this in a business networking group. He said, I called LegalShield. I had no idea what to do. And they connected me to the other state. A lawyer in that state wrote to the company and it resolved the issue, saving him $25,000. So it's not just small things we do. We do some pretty big things too.
Incredible that you're able to save these people and protect them from so many different things.
Absolutely.
Wow, wow,
Yes.
truly, truly inspirational. No, 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 thank you very, very much for sharing that with us. Now, then, if people want to get in contact with you, Jane, what I've done now is I've pulled up the details on the screen, so you'll be able to get hold of a QR code, and then you'll be able to get hold of Jane. I've left there Jane's name, her email address, her phone number, and her LinkedIn URL. We look forward very, very much to welcoming you into the circle of fame. The circle of fame, Miss Jane Lehman.